Episode number 91. So, very much nearing the final handover date. Veneer is being polished, so just busy in filling and polishing it. I mean, the initial process has been started for the main door and the safety door, veneer finishing. In the kitchen area, it is extensive carpentry related work. There was a glass door near the upcoming washing area, so installation of that, installation of some minor fixtures is going on. Still the bifold profile is yet to be delivered on site, hence that's pending. Rest of the flat, it is extensive painting and some part of furniture which is going on. In the living room, we are busy in doing the mandir unit. Focusing on the other areas, bar unit is almost done. This is the vanity section where majority of the things have been completed. I'm not covering the common bathroom as lot of things are messy there, so not very presentable, hence didn't capture that. In the kids bedroom, majority of my painting is done. The walls which are due for wallpaper installation are getting ready. Focusing on the other aspects, we have started with the internal cleaning of the carpentry area. What you see here is a cleaning of the wardrobe is going on. Groove filling for the doors is lined up as the selection by the client is a bit pending with regards to the shade choices. We are busy in the painting elements, the final tweaking on sites which happen. So everybody is gearing up for the final moment. So this is the master bedroom. I haven't started the cleaning yet. In the master bedrooms, master bathroom, majority of my plumbing installation have also been done. The newspaper covering is to prevent any kind of touches on the final plumbing fixtures. So that's it for the day, guys. Thank you so very much. Do like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Bye.